Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford Fusion seat belt warning light issue and the possible causes behind it. A seat belt warning light in the Ford Fusion is commonly described as remaining illuminated even when seat belts appear to be fastened, activating intermittently while driving, or appearing with an audible chime without an obvious cause. Reviewed restraint system documentation and vehicle safety system design information indicate that seat belt warning concerns can occur across multiple Ford Fusion model years, depending on seating configuration, sensor design, and system calibration. This issue does not affect all vehicles, and applicability varies by model year and configuration. One verified cause involves seat belt buckle sensor operation. The buckle contains a switch that detects whether the belt is latched, and irregular sensor behavior can cause the system to incorrectly register an unbuckled condition. Another confirmed cause relates to seat occupancy detection. Certain seating positions use sensors to detect occupant presence, and abnormal readings may trigger the warning light even when the belt is secured. Electrical connection and wiring integrity are also documented factors. Loose connectors, damaged wiring under the seats, or intermittent electrical signals can affect how restraint system inputs are interpreted. Restraint system control logic is another verified consideration. The module responsible for monitoring seat belt status may activate the warning if it detects inconsistent or unexpected input data. Object placement or seating conditions are an additional confirmed aspect. Items placed on seats or unusual seating positions can sometimes influence sensor readings and trigger the warning indicator. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, seating position, or prior interior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. General solutions referenced in professional service guidance include checking seat belt buckle operation, inspecting wiring and connectors under the seats, verifying seat sensor input through diagnostic tools, and ensuring no objects interfere with seat sensors. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and restraint system-specific requirements. In conclusion, Ford Fusion seat belt warning light concerns are typically associated with buckle sensor behavior, seat occupancy detection, wiring or connection issues, restraint system control logic, or seating-related factors. The exact cause can vary by vehicle generation, model year, and interior configuration, making proper inspection essential. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.